Let us see how we can stop the alteration of transactions after audit completion. So we will go to users and passwords. I have created a user here, as you can see. Then in the same company menu, we will go to user roles, and here I'm selecting this particular role, manager, and cutoff date for backdated vouchers I have specified as 31st March 21. Okay, and here I have given create alter backdated vouchers, and rest all you can specify as per your requirement, allow, disallow. Save the screen. Now when I'm logging on to the same company with user widget, and I go inside the day book, so I'll have to change the date, April 20 to, let's say I take the whole period and I go with the transaction on 31st March. So I am getting the message is no access allowed.